Hi, this is Chris Zitko from eComfort. I'm one of the product experts here, and I'm going to show you where to find the Line-Hide guide and pretty much how to get you to figure out what sizes and everything else that you're going to need, what elbows. The easiest way to go through is to just type in Line-Hide guide. And it's going to be one of the first things that comes up here. I'm just going to click on the line set cover buying guide. Now, through the article, it's going to say what is Line-Hide, UV rays, all that fun stuff. You're essentially just trying to go through and figure out what you need in order to do a full setup using the Mitsubishi Line-Hide. All of these parts in this typical application diagram is going to show you specifically what part is needed for what and what type of scenario. We also have how many line sets at what size can fit into that diameter of coupling. So like a CD75, you'd be looking at 1/4 by 3/8, and that can fit normally 2 1/4 by 3/8 lines, or 1 1/4 by 3/8 all the way up to 3/8 by 5/8. Now, and then if you're doing 2 sets of line set, then you're looking at going up and just follow the diagram as according. We also give a whole link setup of where if you want the CD75, you can just click on it directly and it'll take you there. Just as a reminder too, we do have the dimensions listed down here as far as product height. What I like to establish is just the fact that this is roughly about 6.5 feet when going through. So the cost of the shipping on something like this might be a little bit more just for the fact of the height and the way how we have to ship it. If you purchase it with a mini split at the same time, a lot of times that cost is either reduced or removed. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call, and please feel free to submit any more Q&A. Have a wonderful day.